What's up everybody, it's Josh from Blackout and we are just getting started on a Ceramic Pro Gold package. So this is a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Edition Orange. That's why it has the orange accents on the front, the sides, and on the interior. The leather actually matches the exterior, which is pretty cool. But I want to show you sort of what goes into a ceramic coating from start to finish, because the coating part is probably actually the quickest part of a ceramic coating. A lot of it comes down to the prep work that happens. Jimmy and Brandon are going to be doing most of the prep on this car. So I want to show you some of the products we use, and they'll walk you through a little bit about the process. So number one, we've got a pressure washer, of course, and we have a snow foamer that hooks onto our pressure washer. Now we use a small electric pressure washer. You don't need a lot of pressure or a lot of volume really to wash a car. It's a very light use pressure washer. This is a snow foamer. We get these on Amazon. We've tried every different brand in the world. The problem is we drop them, we break them, we use these things a lot. What's in here is a little bit of Griot's Garage car wash. You can see that up here. We get that in 5-gallon buckets. Most of the products that we use are Griot's Garage. And then we're also going to be using the heavy duty wheel cleaner. This is a Griot's product that allows us to use a pH neutral cleaner to get a lot of the brake dust and heavy road debris and dirt and all that stuff off of wheels safely. Then we have our paint cleaning clay. So you'll see us, after we wash the car, we will use this with car wash as a lubricant. We have a couple different kinds in here. Mostly it's the Griot stuff. This is more of a heavy duty clay bar. This is for things like stubborn tar and just heavy stuff that won't come off the surface with the yellow clay bar. Yellow's a little softer. And then we've got our iron and fallout remover. This stuff smells awful but works very well. This will remove like rail dust, and if you, on a black car, not super noticeable, but on a white car, you'll see little what look like rust spots in the clear coat, even on new cars sometimes. And that's what we call just fallout from the environment, and that helps eliminate that. When we spray that on a car, again, mostly on a white one, you'll see it start to react with the metal and it'll turn purple. And sometimes on a car that's really bad, the entire car will start to turn purple from that reacting with it. So Jimmy and Brandon are about to start doing that. They've checked in the car. They gave it a quick wash so that they can check it in properly and look for scratches and things underneath some of the dirt that may have been on the car. And now they're going to start the real prep process.
We're doing a vehicle check-in now to assess any damages like dents, scratches, chips in the paint before we move forward with going to ceramic coating.
What we're doing now is, I like to start with doing all my tops first. So we did the trunk, we did the roof, now we're onto the hood. All the paint varies, so the way that this paint is and the way it's correcting correctly is I'm starting with Griot's Fast Correction Cream with a microfiber pad and then jumping to an orange pad to polish it off with correcting cream also made from Griot's.